Hello everyone, Satan here with Torn Tutorials. Today we're going to be covering the graffiti crime. So to get started with the crime, first you'll need to head to Bits and Bops to buy some spray cans. At the time of making this video, some players claim that certain colors are more effective in some areas of the city. I've not seen any evidence to support this yet, but if you have data regarding this, mail me on Torn so I can update this video. Other helpful items for the graffiti crime include the ladder, wire cutters, and the paint mask. You can decide to buy these items from the item market or simply earn them naturally by doing the graffiti crime. To begin doing the graffiti crime, simply go to the menu and click the color you would like to use. It is important to know the graffiti crime is the most efficient crime for earning vandalism merit and has a special honor for joining a tagging crew, as well as an honor for reaching 100 skill in the tagging crime. Currently all the unique events are not known, but the key ones to look for are the following: the paint mask, which is found at 35 skill in the east side, the ladder, which is found in the west side at 15 skill, the red light district and the residential district are unlocked at 50 skill, and in this column is your area reputation. To reach 1 star you need 25 tags, 50 to reach 2 stars, 100 to reach 3 stars, 300 to reach 4 stars, and 500 to reach 5 stars. It is important to note that these tags must be active. The police will clean up a few of your tags every now and then, so make sure you stay on top of it and keep making new tags. To earn the honor for joining a crew, you must reach reputation level 5 in any area and have 70 skill in graffiti. After that, simply keep tagging in the area you have reputation level 5 in it and you will earn the honor. Earning the honor will unlock the financial center as a new area to tag. Beyond that, the reputation levels don't appear to do much besides give you some unique outcomes. So far we know you can get a high-speed DVD drive at reputation level 1 in the city center and a set of card skimmers in the financial district at reputation level 2. And that's basically it for the graffiti crime. I hope this video has earned your subscription, and if you wish to show support for the channel, mail me on Torn and I'll let you know how. Thanks for watching.